For the voice of nature is the voice of God. It speaketh through all things into all times unto all mankind. And as the seasons and the sunshine with the rain and the thunder through the voice of heaven, each has its time of coming and going, which is like the coming of spring and the freshness of the newborn year. The springing up from the earth is the voice of nature. And there is the time of summer, and of the green fields, and of the mighty forests. And the song of the summer is the song of spring in its joy. And they count time by it in the wind which sweeps the leaves. The joy in man's heart is not the joy one finds in another man's heart, neither are the treasures in his storehouse the treasures in his own storehouse. For each man findeth in his own way the joys and the treasures of this earth. And all the treasures of this earth come and go, as do the winter winds and the summer skies. But the joys of the Spirit remain with him forever.